Hey guys, this is Ra. Welcome back to another MUSE Mondays video. Today's video is all about the 2AB body wave texture and how to achieve this simple, cute, quick hairstyle. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell to see when we drop our next video. Now this wig is a closure unit wig constructed with MUSE hair in the texture 2AB or body wave. 3 bundles were used for this wig. That was 20 inches, 22 inches, and another 22 inches. The closure was a 16-inch closure. For this style, I typically like to use hair that's older and a little bit dirty. Now, don't jump to conclusions. The reason why I use hair that's a little bit dirty is because it seems to hold the curl a lot better than freshly washed hair. The first step with this look is to divide the pieces you want to curl out in the front and kind of pushing the rest back. Now that I've divided out the pieces I want to curl to the front and clip the rest to the back, I spray my palms with heat protectant hairspray. Next, take a brush and make sure you brush out the heat protectant spray. For my heat styling tool, I am using a 1-inch barrel wand curl from Sultra. Shout out to them, I got it at BeautyCon LA last year. And now that you've divided out the pieces, put heat protectant spray, brush them out, and the whole shebang, you can go ahead and start curling the pieces in the front. And voila! Curls, I went ahead and just lightly wand curled the rest of the hair. You don't have to, but for a cohesive look, I just decided to add a little body to the rest of the hair. Yeah, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys love how it turned out. It's just a nice, quick and simple, easy hairstyle, especially for like the spring and summertime when you really want to bring out your face. Wear it to the back. Bring it back out. And that's it. Easy peasy, simple and cute. That's why I love this hairstyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate your support. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at usemusehair and check out our website usemusehair.com. Thanks.